Let's tune our guitar. Starting with the thickest string, the 6th string, we're going to tune it to E. Play your 6th string, listen, and turn the tuning peg, always making sure that when you turn the peg, the string is ringing. You don't want to turn the peg when the string is silent, or you'll have no idea how close you're getting to the proper sound. Play the string, then turn the peg as I play my guitar so that you can reference how mine sounds. Let's tune our E string, number 6. Let's move on to the 5th string, the A string. You can rewind if you need to go over the 6th string again. Let's tune the D string, number 4. Let's tune number 3, the G string. Let's tune the 2nd string, the B. And let's tune the 1st string, E.